Hello everyone, I'm Bindu Trika, Assistant Professor, IMS Kazabad. Today I'll be discussing about algorithms and pseudocode. Actually, what happens when we have any program to do or any problem to solve? First, we just chalk out the basic steps we need to perform for that particular problem or to solve the particular problem. So a programming task can be divided into two phases: problem solving phase and the implementation phase. In problem solving phase, we just write the algorithm and design the flowchart to indicate the flow of control in the problem what we have to do basically. And once the algorithm is ready, we move to the implementation phase, that is to implement that algorithm in a programming language. Now, first step is to write a pseudocode. Pseudocode is actually informal language. It's a routine English language. For example, if I have to write a program to add two numbers in C programming, if I have to write the pseudocode, what I'll write? Take two numbers, add these two numbers, and store the value of the sum in the third variable, and stop. That's it. This is pseudocode, and I have spoken this in a normal English language. This is the only task we have to do. Algorithm is a finer version of pseudocode, and it is a step-by-step method of solving a problem. Generally, an algorithm is close to a program, computer program basically. So here we write the most discrete steps. For example, we have to write an algorithm to determine a student's final grade and indicate whether it is passing or failing. And the final grades are calculated as the average of 4 marks. That means we should be having the marks of the student in 4 subjects. Then we'll find out the average, and on this average grading, we'll find out whether the student has passed the exam or he has failed the exam. Let's see the pseudocode for this particular example. Input a set of 4 marks, add all the 4 marks. Fine. Then divide the sum of the marks by 4 and find the average. Once you have got the average, just check whether the average is below 50 or above 50. If this average is below 50, then we'll have to print fail, and if it is above 50, we'll print pass. So this pseudocode is a step-by-step procedure, but it is written in a normal English language, the way we speak, the way we write. And this particular pseudocode can be converted to an algorithm in the following form. We have 4 steps. Step number 1 is input M1, M2, M3, M4, where M1, M2, M3 and M4 are the marks in the 4 subjects. Then in step 2, we have found the sum of these 4 marks. And in step 3, we have found the grade. And this grade is actually the sum divided by 4. Now, if this grade is less than 50, then we'll have to print fail, else we'll print pass. So this is an algorithm. It is a step-by-step procedure wherein we write the steps so that it can be easily converted to a program. So an algorithm and a pseudocode both are the first step in solving a problem. In algorithm, we have the step-by-step procedure in a language that is more close to a computer program and thus easily understandable and convertible to a program. This is all about pseudocode and algorithm. Thank you and have a nice day.